Introducing VADANIA undermount kitchen sink, which made of 304 stainless steel and featuring a single bowl that easily fits most family needs. Speed up the draining with the X-conducting wire design. Art and corners offer modern looks, increase bowl space and easy cleaning. Rubber sound dampening pads assure exceptional noise reduction. You'll be done with the installation of this sink in no time. Step 1. Mark the opening position along the cutout template on the counter. Step 2. Position and align the sink over the countertop opening, then firmly press it onto the countertop. Connect the drain and water supply as per the provided instructions. Behold, your new sink stands prepared for action. It's time to put it to work and experience its convenience firsthand. Go ahead and make the most of it. For more details, visit our store. Explore further and find all the information you need.